Welcome to Speedy K's Mobile Detailing Specialist. So today we wanted to show you a fifth wheel that's actually a brand new unit. And the reason why we're covering this to help all of you guys out there, especially that not only have brand new units that you might be purchasing, and or if anybody's trying to give you recommendations from especially the dealerships or what have you, where you see something on YouTube or social media post, we wanted to give you that correct information. So the issue here is with this fifth wheel, it's a brand new unit. The dealership sold them ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is another one of these coatings that is a highly sold upkeep by the dealers, and it is done incorrectly almost 100% of the time. You should never, ever sand and or apply or buff a unit, not only if it has gel coat, clear coat, whatever it may be. If it's brand new, it all should be hand applied. Another big issue, especially with ceramic coating, is you're buying the name and you're buying the product that in a lot of falsified information, meaning many places tell you once you put this product on, you never have to do anything to it or nothing ever needs to be done. This is a product that lasts for years upon years. No, basically the same product that we use, the polymer sealant and the treatment, is the same product. We just don't overcharge for it, and we give you the correct upkeep schedule as per the manufacturer. We do receive information from the manufacturers as far as upkeep, scheduling, how services should be performed, products that should be used, and recommendations for clients. And that's what we do here at Speedy K's. We're always more than happy to give you those professional tips and advice. Even if you use us or don't use our services, we're always more than happy to help you so nothing like this happens. This is a before and after pictures of it professionally restored by our specialist. This is how it should look when it's done. This is professionally buffed, gone over. It almost looks like a sky finish. I mean, you basically can see every reflection in it after it's done. That is how you want to professionally, if you're restoring a spot that's damaged, the finish or something that, as I said, the dealership did incorrectly, or even another quick clean detail shop or a mobile shop that isn't professionally certified and trained in what they're doing, and you have an occurrence. We run into this a lot where we have to fix issues that were caused by uncertified technicians, unfortunately, and we do restore it. So if this does happen, or if you're looking for the advice, just let us know. Submit a form online. You can either schedule it, contact us. We do give free estimates, and we're always more than happy to help you as far as upkeep and preserve the finish and preservation of your unit. Thank you for choosing Speedy K's.